Hi guys, my name is Priyanka and today I'm going to show you how to make butter chicken. This is my favorite recipe and this is my own recipe and there is no secret. I'm going to share everything which I do. For this, the first thing you have to take is half kg of chicken. So, I have taken half kg of chicken and marinated it just for 5-10 minutes with 1 cup of curds, Kashmiri red chili powder, half a lemon, little salt, and just keep it for 5-10 minutes. I have also taken soaked cashew, which I have soaked in milk. So the cashews are soaked in milk. For that you also have to take 5 tomatoes. Just remember, for half kg chicken, 5 tomatoes, 1 green chili and 1 medium sized onion. So put it in the cooker. Give it at least 4 to 5 whistles in the cooker. Hi guys, so meanwhile we are giving whistle to our 5 tomatoes, 1 green chili and 1 medium sized onion. I will show you other ingredients. So what other ingredients you want? You need kasuri methi, any brand of kasuri methi. You need tandoori chicken masala, any brand you can take. You need zira powder, which is also known as cumin powder. You need only 1 spoon of pepper. If you don't have black pepper, you can take white pepper. So you need ginger garlic paste. If you want to make fresh ginger garlic paste, take 2 inch of ginger and 1 whole pod of garlic and grind it. But I'm taking this ginger garlic paste. When my cooker will give whistle, I will grind this ginger garlic paste with boiled onion, which I will show you after it will give whistle. Take 1 kadai, put it on the gas. Add little ghee, only little ghee. Take oil, add little oil. So guys, when you mix oil with ghee, it comes really good. So now add half kg of chicken which we had marinated. Take this chicken, put the gas on the slow flame. You should not get burnt. Slowly just put it inside. Alright. So guys, many people they add tandoori chicken in butter chicken masala, but what I am making is, in this lockdown period, it will be handy for you because as you will be working at home and it will take a long time to make chicken tandoori. So this is a very nice way. It will be scrumptious. I bet you will really like it. So let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Let the chicken become little brown, let little glaze come on chicken. Okay, so guys, as you see, we are just frying the chicken. For some time you have to fry the chicken. Chicken which I had put in kadai for frying, see, we have to fry it more. So till the time it is getting fried on the low flame, what we have to do is, see, now this is boiled. 5 tomatoes, 1 medium sized onion. So now we let it cool down first. Don't grind it hot, otherwise it will be harmful for you. First let it cool down. Take onion, 1 onion. Take 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and you have to grind it. So guys, you have to grind this onion and ginger garlic paste once it will cool down. After that, the tomato which we had boiled, you have to peel those tomatoes and grind separately. You can see I'm frying this chicken. So I have peeled the tomatoes and put it in the grinder. I will grind it separately, and onion and ginger garlic paste separately. And please don't throw this water. Throw this peel away of tomatoes, but don't throw this water. In the same kadai, as you can see here, I have fried the chicken. Now in the same kadai, take little more ghee, means clarified butter. You can take butter which is unsalted. I prefer unsalted butter, or a clarified butter which is ghee. You can add little ghee and little oil in the kadai. This is caraway seeds, which is also known as Shahzira caraway seeds. Put little caraway seeds, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 green cardamom. Just little saute it in the oil. Now guys, the boiled onion and ginger garlic paste which we ground, we will put it in it. Put whole thing in it. Use your hands. Your recipe will taste better. Okay. Stir it. Let it become brown. You don't have to fry it too much. Slightly brown. We had soaked in milk. I ground it and I added it. After we fried the onion, add the cashew paste nicely. Nice aroma I'm getting. Wow, it's superb. So you have to fry it for a little while. Just keep frying it. Keep frying it, guys, little. Ground tomatoes which we had boiled. Now add it in kadai nicely. Same water in which we had boiled. Take it. Just shake. Take whole thing. Okay. Just let it fry. We have to fry it till the oil doesn't come up. Add at least 1 teaspoon of sugar. Very little sugar, not much. It enhances the taste. Salt according to taste. Remember, we had put salt in the chicken also. Just fry it till the time oil doesn't come up. Spoon of Kashmiri chili. Don't worry, it will not be very spicy, very pungent. It will give color and taste to it. So I'm not adding any preservatives or any color in it. So I have added Kashmiri chili. Stir it, fry it, let the oil come up. Put it on low flame. Put it like this for some time on low flame. Let the oil come up. See, the oil will come up and your gravy will look awesome. Put it on slow flame. Add tandoori chicken masala. I am using just half the packet. Add zira powder 1 teaspoon. Add black pepper or white pepper, whatever is available, 1 teaspoon. Stir it. Let it fry. Beautiful. Gravy will look so beautiful. Wow. Amazing. So guys, now add this chicken which we have fried. So this gravy is for those people who don't want their chicken to be too tomatoey or heat. So this butter chicken will be awesome, full of ghee, beautiful aroma you will get. If you don't have tandoori chicken masala, you can put any other masala. Now guys, at this moment, add the water in which we have boiled our tomatoes and onion and 1 green chili which is slit. At this moment, you have to let the chicken cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes and let the gravy become a little thick. Keep the masala aside. So now you can see, now after 10 minutes chicken will look like this. We'll put the remaining little masala in the end. Crush kasuri methi like this. Put it. Wow, it's divine. You can add 1 big dollop of butter and fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, you can put little milk also. Give it a stir. Give it a stir. A nice stir. So guys, this is my butter chicken. You can eat it with any rice, chapati, or whatever you want, the way you want it to be. So please like and subscribe my channel. If you really like the recipe, do comment. If any suggestion, please comment. I will keep on sending many more recipes, and also you can try the same recipe with paneer. It will taste really divine. So bake this chicken the way I have showed you. Eat it with your choice of beautiful rice, any long grain basmati rice or tandoori roti or any simple chapati or paratha. Enjoy it guys. Till then, we'll meet next time. Bye. See my butter chickens looking so lovely, and nice pulao rice which I have taken in a nice plate. Put it all the gravy all over it. You don't have to garnish it with anything because we have already put cream and butter and everything in it. Wow guys, look at the recipe, it's superb. And voila, so you can have it the way you want it to be. Lovely butter chicken by Priyanka. Subscribe my channel, like it, and please do give your suggestions. Thank you. Bye bye.